So the wall pushed out.
Yeah.
Along this side, and this wall is 22.
I'm guessing it's about that. I think it's
All right.
33 by 22, and I'm not 100%
I'll go ahead and
sure.
take some more. So this is where he dug out. Looks like about maybe 18 inches.
Yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking.
Around there.
And it's those old tiles. They're not, you know,
Yeah.
cement blocks, so they're very fragile.
Just around the outside. Let's see, we got a bow down here. Definitely bows down this side. I'm recording right now just so I can. I record everything. Take pictures and then do a quick recording in case I miss something in my pictures.
Oh yeah.
And on the inside, it looks like about this side of the garage is still on the foundation, which is still kind of falling apart. Right there is the back bow in the wall, and then the right-hand side garage is bowing really bad. Fallen a great deal. You can see here where it's rolled about 5 inches. And then the back. Back here rolled a good 5 inches. Got some headers, 2 headers. They got a room upstairs.